Welcome to a journey into one of the most vital and most controversial industries in today's modern food world, the pork industry, where technology, speed, and scale are pushed to their absolute limits. From sprawling farms covering dozens of hectares to fully automated processing lines that run around the clock, every part of the system works in sync to deliver pork to billions of dinner tables around the globe. In this video, we'll take an unfiltered look at how a tiny piglet can grow into hundreds of pounds of market-ready meat in just a matter of months. It all begins at large-scale breeding facilities, where piglets are no longer born through natural mating, but are the result of a tightly controlled genetic selection process. Super lean sows, capable of producing litters of 10 to 14 piglets, are carefully monitored for their health, reproductive performance, and genetic traits. Likewise, boars are selected from individuals with exceptional fertility and superior muscle development. Thanks to artificial insemination technology, a single breeding boar can serve thousands of sows. This not only reduces breeding costs and shortens production time, but also minimizes the risk of disease transmission, an ever-present concern in modern livestock farming. As soon as they're born, piglets are moved into individual pens where temperature, humidity, and lighting are carefully regulated. During their first few days, each piglet receives vaccinations, has its teeth trimmed, is tagged for identification, and is monitored around the clock through a 24/7 camera system. Their diet at this stage consists of mother's milk, followed by nutrient-rich formula. Thanks to this optimized feeding and care regimen, each piglet can reach a weight of 13 to 18 pounds in just 30 days, an impressive growth rate designed to prepare them for the next stage, meat production. At industrial-scale farms, pigs are grouped by weight and age, then housed in massive pens, each one holding hundreds of animals. A fully automated system manages nearly every aspect of their care, dispensing feed, tracking consumption, and recording each pig's daily weight gain. Their diet typically includes ground corn, soybean meal, agricultural byproducts, and a mix of minerals, vitamins, and digestive enzymes. On average, each pig consumes between 5.5 to 6.5 pounds of feed per day, leading to daily weight gains of 1.75 to 2.2 pounds. After just 5 to 6 months, each pig can reach a market weight of 20 to 290 pounds, with some super lean breeds growing as large as 350 pounds. At that point, they're ready for the next phase: transport to the processing plant. Before leaving the farm, every pig must undergo a thorough health inspection by veterinarians. Contagious diseases such as African swine fever, H1N1 influenza, and foot and mouth disease are strictly screened out through quarantine protocols and constant monitoring. Transportation is handled using specialized trucks equipped with hydraulic lift floors and advanced ventilation systems to minimize animal stress. Because even minor stress prior to slaughter can negatively impact meat quality, affecting its tenderness, color, and flavor. Upon arrival at the processing plant, each truck passes through a full disinfection chamber. Drivers are not allowed to exit the cab. The pigs are then moved into a holding area where they rest for 6 to 8 hours to recover physically and allow muscle glycogen levels to stabilize, an important factor that influences the final quality of the meat. After their rest period, the pigs are moved onto a fully automated slaughter line. The entire process is fast, efficient, and tightly controlled from start to finish. Pigs are first rendered unconscious using either electrical stunning or carbon dioxide gas, methods designed to ensure a humane, pain-free process. They are then hung upside down and bled, with the blood collected separately to prevent environmental contamination. Next comes the cleaning stage. Hair is singed off using gas flames, then shaved clean by automated systems equipped with cameras. The pigs are then eviscerated, with organs like the liver, heart, lungs, intestines, and kidneys carefully removed, inspected, and transferred to separate processing lines for byproducts. The carcass is thoroughly washed with cold water, given a final quality check, and sent to the butchering section for further processing. In the cutting area, pig carcasses weighing hundreds of pounds move along conveyor belts, where skilled workers break them down into specific cuts: belly, ribs, shoulder, ham, thighs, based on market demand. The meat is then portioned into standardized weights, vacuum sealed, and stored in cold rooms at -8°C to preserve freshness. Nothing goes to waste. Fat and skin are used to make sausages, cold cuts, and gelatin. Bones are ground into livestock feed, and even the blood is processed into organic fertilizer or bio-based products. In many of the more dangerous or precision-driven stages, robots are gradually replacing human labor. From laser-guided bone-cutting machines to automated packaging and transport systems that move meat into cold storage. All operate around the clock under the supervision of a central server system. Every product that comes off the line is tagged with a QR code containing complete traceability data, slaughter date, farm of origin, buy-in, packaging time, and expiration date. With just a quick scan using a smartphone, consumers can instantly trace the exact origin of the meat they're holding, marking a major step forward in food transparency and safety. After leaving the factory, the pork is transported in refrigerated trucks to supermarkets, retail stores, or shipped overseas. Premium cuts from Iberico pigs or super lean breeds can sell for tens of dollars per kilogram, especially in high-demand markets like Japan, South Korea, the United States, and Europe. However, more than 60% of total production still serves the domestic market, offering affordable prices and a steady supply to meet the everyday needs of families at home. In a single day, a processing plant can slaughter and prepare over 2,000 pigs, adding up to hundreds of tons of pork each week. This massive farming and production system can supply thousands of tons of pork every month, feeding millions of meals around the world. But behind these staggering numbers lies an entire ecosystem powered by human effort, innovation, and technology. It's the result of long-term investment in an industry under constant pressure. From climate change and food safety concerns to the growing debate over ethical farming practices. Whether you support or oppose industrial meat production, one thing is undeniable: this industry helps feed the entire planet. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to Farm to Factory for more fascinating journeys. From farms to factories, from animals to finished products, from cutting-edge technology to the meals on your plate.